कोई सेवा करता नहीं, तो मैं कांशी दे विच मर जावां, ते मैं केड़ा एहसान करता रब ते। रमैया मैंने वाहिगुरु, राम निहोरा मैंने एहसान, मैं केड़ा एहसान करता वाहिगुरु ते। ना मैं सेवा की ना भगती की, ऐदा थोड़ी मुक्ति हो जानी है। कहत कबीर सुनो रे लोई, वो दुनिया के लोगों कबीर कहंदा ते तुसी सुन लो। भरम ना भूलो कोई, कोई भरमा दे विच ना पैना। क्या कांशी क्या ऊखर मगहर, राम हृदय जो होई। जे तुहाडे हिरदे दे विच नाम है, भावें कांशी दे विच मरो ते भावें मगहर दे विच मरो, मुक्ति हो जाएगी जे राम हिरदे विच है। सो गुरु महाराज कृपा करन, इसे तरह साडे विच भरम ने। यह मेरा घर अनलक्की आ, क्योंकि इत्थे झगड़े बड़े होए सी। सानू घर नवां लेना चाहिए। जदों घर नवां लिया, उत्थे भी झगड़े। रूट कॉज नहीं लभ्या, मुੱਢ नहीं लभ्या भी झगड़े क्यों हुंदे सी। झगड़े तां हुंदे जिथे वाहिगुरू दा सिमरन नहीं हुंदा, जिथे वाहिगुरू दी सेवा नहीं हुंदी, जिथे दया नहीं हुंदी, उत्थे झगड़े ही होने। घर चेंज करन दे नाल शांति नहीं होएगी, वाहिगुरू दा सिमरन करन दे नाल शांति होएगी। वाहिगुरू दा सिमरन करके बरकतां होणगीਆਂ। एक असीं अंतले समय दे विच जिहड़े हुंदे आ, मृत इंसान दे फुੱਲ कीरतपुर साहब जाके उत्थे नदी दे विच प्रवाह करदे। कई बारी नौजवान सवाल पुछदे आ भई वो प्रवाह करना जायज़ है? साध संगत जी, वो एक मन का विश्वास है। पर जे इंसान ने सारी उम्र कुकर्म किए होण ते ओहदे फुੱਲ कीरतपुर साहब नहर दे विच प्रवाह कर दी है, वो इहदे नाल मुक्ति नहीं होनी। गुरबाणी दा प्रमाण है। जे चोर तीरथ उपर जाके इशनान करदा पर फिर भी चोरी करदा, महाराज कहंदे ओहदी मुक्ति नहीं हो सकती। सो बड़े समझण दी गल है। जिहड़ा कबीर साहब ने अज उपदेश सानू दिता भई वाहिगुरू दा सिमरन करो, अपने जीवन दे विच दया लियाओ, सत ते संतोख दा जीवन तुहाडा होना चाहिए, तां फिर मुक्ति होएगी। क्योंकि वाहिगुरू सारे पासे है। जले हैं, थले हैं, अपीत है, अपे है। जल ते भी वाहिगुरू है, थल ते भी वाहिगुरू है। मरना जल दे विच या थल दे विच कोई मायने नहीं रखता। जे सुरत वाहिगुरू नाल जुड़ी हुई है ते फिर मुक्ति डेफिनेटली वो गारंटीड होएगी। गुरु महाराज कृपा करन। बाकी दा समा असीं अंग्रेजी दे विच विचार करना है। सो दास खिमता जाचक है। धन धन गुरु ग्रंथ साहब महाराज का अतुट खजाना, जिहदे असीं भाव समझ के अपने जीवन के तत्त नूं पछाणना। सो गुरु महाराज कृपा करन, बख्शिशां करन। प्यू दादे का खोल डिठा खजाना, तां मेरा मन भया निराना। प्यो दादे का खजाना, इनू खोल के देखिए भी खजाने च की है। खजाने दे विच वो चीज़ां, मत विच रतन जवाहर माणक, जे एक गुर की सिख सुनी, जे गुरु की सिक्ख्या असीं सुन लई ते जिहड़े साडी मत दे विच रतन ते जवाहर ते माणक, रब रूपी अकाल रूपी नवनिध रूप छिपे हुए ने, वो प्रगट हो जाएंगे। गुरु महाराज कृपा करन। Today's हुक्मनामा is blessing from Sachkhand Sri Harmandir Sahib in Rag Tanasri. Rag Tanasri provides the cheerful mood. The recommended time for recitation of the Shabad in Rag Tanasri is the 5th pair of the day, 12 o'clock in the afternoon till 3 o'clock. Rag Tanasri provides the cheerful mood, and the Hukamnama is placed in Dhan Dhan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj on Ang 692, composition of Bhagat Kabir Ji. Bhagat Kabir Ji He gives us the wisdom and removes the doubts in our minds, because there are a lot of doubts and rituals in this world. But rituals can't help us to attain the peace of mind. In fact, they make us more tired in our life. People get tired. I've done fasting. I've been to Tirath. I've been to pilgrimage, but I'm still not peaceful. One will only be peaceful when you are able to realize the Creator within. That's the only time in our existence as human body, as a soul, when our soul, our consciousness is connected to the Shabad, which implies the presence of Creator, then only it will be peaceful. Kabir Sahib, he removes the doubts of people at the time. Mostly people from Hindu faith, they used to believe that if someone died in a holy city of Kanshi, Kanshi is also known as Banaras, then that person will be emancipated, will go to heaven. On the contrary, if someone dies in another town called Maghar, Maghar town was cursed by holy people because someone in that town disrespected a holy person and that holy person cursed that town. And if someone dies in Maghar, is definitely going to go to hell. But Kabir Sahib, he died in Maghar. Before he dies, he gives this preaching to the people of Maghar, that people of God, don't be worried. Don't be worried. If you die in Maghar, but you are connected to Kal Prakh Vaheguru, your Creator, you are leading a life of compassion, truth and contentment, you will become one with God. And Kabir Sahib reveals today, Jo jan pao pagat kach jane. Jan means humble servant. Pao means love. Pagat means devotion. That humble servant who knows how to serve the Creator with love and devotion has no acharaj. Acharaj means wonder or doubt. The person who has become one with Vaheguru has no doubts in his mind because path is very clear. I'll give you a very simple example. A surgeon who is doing surgery has complete knowledge of the human body and can operate on a person. Because surgeon has the knowledge, there is no confusion, there is no doubt. On the other hand, a novice person looks at the human body and can't operate upon. Why? There is no knowledge. Is confused. He might be arguing with other doctors that I should do the first cut here and then second cut there. When there is no wisdom, there is no gyan, it will lead to arguments. It will lead to doubts. Similarly, if we do not have Guru's wisdom, we will wander around in doubts. I've seen so many people. They are wearing a necklace with green pearls. I said, well, why are you wearing that? I've been told by fortune teller that it is lucky. Now this is doubt. Param. When someone sneezes, should not leave the house for 5 minutes. Wow. Where do you get this from? Nonsense. Where do you get this from? This is all param. Sneezing is a mechanism which Vaheguru has created to clear your system. It has nothing to do with you being lucky or unlucky. But once you have Guru's wisdom, You don't even take notice of these things. You can't wash your hair on certain days. Again, it is a param, it's doubt. If you're feeling itchy, your head needs wash it. As long as you are serving Vaheguru, you are serving the creation, you will become one with Vaheguru. Whether you wash your head on one day or the other day, whether you go to the Tirath or not, doesn't matter. Gurbani reveals that people who go to the pilgrimage, but then they are still cheating the system, what's the point in going to the pilgrimage? Tell me. Naman challe tirthi, man khote tan chor. They are chor, they are thieves. What's the point? It's useless. But sitting in the house, if you are practicing Guru's teaching, sunaya, you listen to Guru's teaching, manya, you accept it. Man kita bhav, and then you practice it in your life with pyar, antargat tirath malnao. Your mind becomes the pilgrimage. Lot of people go to pilgrimage, so they might become lucky in their life. But Satsanga ji is so easy. Guru Maharaj has made our life so easy that you follow Guru's teaching. Rahat Maryada. Have Khande Bate da Amrit. Follow Rahat Maryada and your life will be absolutely blissful. Such a simple thing. It's not difficult. All you need to do is pray to Satguru. So Kabir Sahib today reveals, I have merged with the Creator like water is placed in the water. If you take a jug of water, put it in the ocean or lake, it's impossible to take the same water out because water mixes with the water, becomes one. Similarly, when we have our Sut connected to the Shabad, we become one with God. It's not possible to separate now. You become manifestation, embodiment of God. So Kabir Sahib reveals, I have become one with God like jio teo toor mileo jalahu. Toor means to melt. What does melting mean? There is a beautiful Shabad in Sukhmani Sahib Bani. Anak jatan kar atam nahi dravai. Har dargah ko kaise gavai. You have made so many efforts, but your heart has not melted yet. Which means you are still stone-hearted. You are still stubborn. You are not willing to practice Guru's teaching. How you can reach Vaheguru? Har dargah hai ko kaise gavai. Dargah means palace. How you can get to the palace of Akal Purakh Vaheguru? It's impossible. So Kabir Sahib reveals that my mind has become soft, means full of kindness and compassion, and I become one with God. Har ke loga main to mat ka pora. Har ke loga. Oh people of God, no matter if you call me fool, pora means pola. Because I'm so devoted to Akal Purakh Vaheguru, I'm intoxicated with Vaheguru's love. Now it doesn't matter if I die in Kanshi, Banaras, or if I die in Maghar. And Kabir Sahib did leave his body in the town of Maghar. And Kabir Sahib says, I have become with God, I am not going to go into the transmigration cycle. Because God is everywhere. You know, people say, heaven is on the seventh sky. Heaven is above the sky. That's a myth. That's a doubt. If Vaheguru is everywhere, and as soon as you connect with Vaheguru, because Vaheguru is in heaven, you are in heaven. Tahan Baikunt Jai Kirtan Tera. That place becomes the Baikunt, the heaven, where one sings your praises. Kahat Kabir Sunore Loi, Paramna Pulo Koi, don't wander around in doubt. So people, Kya Kashi, Kya Ukhar Maghar, Ram Rade Jo Hoi. So Pulan Chuka di Maafi. Forgive my mistakes. I will inspire you to study Gurbani of Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Become wiser. Don't be misled by people. People are there to mislead you completely. They will put you into params, do's and don'ts. You can't do that, you can't do that, you can't do that. But sometimes you look at those don'ts, they don't make sense according to Gurbani. So get wise and lead a very blissful life. Bhulan chukan di maafi, pyar na fateh sanji karni ji. Waheguru ji ka khalsa, Waheguru ji ki fateh.